In 1964, my Uncle Wayne decided he was going to build a sawmill at 16 years old. One day he was back in the woods cutting off a piece of land, and his father came and asked him what he was doing, and he said he was going to build a sawmill. So he thought that was a good idea and decided to help him. They put in an Oxford carriage and an old Oxford edger at first, and then upgraded over the years to a small bull edger and the chipper. And in 2018, my cousin Kyle and myself acquired the mill and decided that we would try to run it a little bit, which we did, and then we decided we wanted to build a more modern mill. So we sold off all the parts of this one and built a new, little more modern, little faster mill. For a long time they had a slab wood cutter and sold slab wood for people to burn. Then they put in a chipper. At one point they took out their one-man trimmer and put in a double-end trimmer, which then needed two people to trim the same amount of lumber that they were sawing. Around in the early 2000s or late 1990s, they switched over to electric. They were running with a 671 GM diesel. They went to a 250 kilowatt Cummins generator. The guy we sold all the mill gear to, he added an automatic carriage with a booth to it and redesigned it a little bit and made a nice mill out of it. And it's still going today, sawing every day pretty much. So nice to go visit sometimes and see the old gear working. They also had a more bark debarker that they used to debark the logs with here. And they had an automatic lumber sorter, but they took that out when they installed the double-end trimmer and put a green chain in. They sawed a lot of logs and a lot of lumber in the 54 years that it ran. On this day, it is my Uncle Wayne Millett, sawing, and my father, Paul Millett, canting. They did have a little automatic log turner that they would use on some of the bigger logs. That did help. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.